When the storm arrived, the Mississippi River Flyway Pelicans didn't fly off to find cover. They gathered close together in the shallow water, tucked in their pouches and long necks, hunkered down, and stood as still as statues. They didn't look like pelicans anymore. They stayed still during the lightning storm, too. Why do the pelicans stay still in the storm? The National Park Service says the pelican frequently has difficulty rising from the water, which involves kicking backwards with each wing stroke for 50 feet. And low-pressure storms causing less dense air also makes it more difficult to take wing.